Let's face it, you need leads to show your business or product to. But the real secret is getting those leads to convert and take action, meaning to convert into a sign-up or a sale. This is what the conversion pros specialize in and have done for over 20 years online. We have made over 7 figures using this exact process and tools. So we decided to build the ultimate resource tools for you to get conversions like you have never seen. Most systems give you a lane capture page system, and that's about it. That's so 1990s. There are so many more cutting-edge tools for you to get results, and we are about to give them to you. Let us explain. Your business 100% relies on getting leads and converting them to your offer. Many people just sit back and hope they get conversions. We make sure you do. We give you 100% customizable lead capture pages, autoresponder follow-up system, a mobile website builder, SMS text marketing platform, voice broadcasting, an auto dialer, invoicing tool, blogging platform, link rotator, URL tracking system to see where your traffic comes from, a URL rotator to do co-op marketing, a tiny URL system, and much more. So once you get a lead, our platform allows you to reach them multiple ways to get them to convert to your offer. Sold separately, all these tools would cost you a fortune. That is why we came up with the ultimate bundle offer. Listen, don't take our word for it. We want to prove it to you. Below this video, we show you each tool, how it works, and what it does. Go watch them now.